When precision and reliability matter most, Climax, a part of Specialized Fabrication Equipment Group, delivers you the EZ-FACER ODFF12 flange facer. Compact and reliable, the EZ-FACER ODFF12 is designed for easy setup and consistent performance anywhere. Modular, adjustable chucking feet ensure fast and secure setup across a wide range of flange sizes. Adjustable axial and radial feed rates give operators full control for consistent, accurate cuts. From crate to cut in just 30 minutes, reducing downtime and maximizing productivity. Powered by a 1.3 horsepower pneumatic motor. Safe, powerful, and built for control in volatile environments. From RTJ grooves to flat, lens seal, and raised flanges, the EZ-FACER delivers consistent performance on a variety of materials and flange types. Achieve perfect flatness and finish every time. The EZ-FACER delivers ASME, ANSI, and API compliant results you can trust. Hands-free operation and remote safety controls keep operators safe while maintaining consistent, professional results. Trusted in oil and gas, shipbuilding, power generation, and heavy industries, the EZ-FACER is designed for in-situ flange repair wherever precision is required. Experience easy, reliable flange repair with the Climax EZ-FACER ODFF12 flange facer.